So you're wondering, what am I doing in the kitchen? Well, my purpose of coming to the kitchen is to actually let you know who controls the kitchen in your house. Is it you who actually controls, or is it your child? My best bet is, let your child be involved in the kitchen of the house. If you have a finicky eater, or a child who's throws a lot of tantrums, it's essential to get your child involved, no matter whatever is the age of your child, into doing some things in the kitchen. They may help you to lay the table, they may help you to actually wash the dishes, they may even help you to actually decide on what you're going to eat, the menu of the day. So my sincere and very important request to all of you parents out there is, please involve your child in the kitchen, and do take your child out shopping when you are going to do your grocery shopping and your vegetable shopping. If you get your child involved in this at a very early stage, it is but natural that the child is going to be really interested and would actually get to eat a healthy food, a healthy meal, because they would be involved in the process rather than eating all the junk foods which are available from Swiggy and Zomato. So what are you waiting for, parents? Go out and involve your children in the kitchen.